Hi friends, have you ever felt like your mind is working against you? You sit to study, but your thoughts wander. You plan big goals, but end up procrastinating. You want peace, but your mind keeps replaying worries. What if I told you there is a way to control your mind, to train it like a muscle and make it your most powerful partner? That's what Joe Silva discovered, and it changed millions of lives around the world. Today, we are talking about the Silva Mind Control Method, a simple but powerful system to sharpen focus, improve memory, achieve goals, and create inner calm. Joe Silva was not a monk or psychologist. He was an ordinary radio mechanic from Texas. But he became obsessed with one question: can we tune our mind the way we tune a radio to receive better signals from life? After years of experiments, he found that our mind works on different frequencies, just like a radio. And when we learn to operate at the alpha level, a calm, focused state between sleep and wakefulness, our brain becomes super effective. We think better, remember more, and even find creative solutions naturally. That's the secret of the Silva Mind Control Method. Silva discovered that our brain has four main states: beta state, that is active, alert, stressed thinking; alpha state, calm, creative, focused; theta state, deep relaxation and intuition; fourth one, delta state, that is deep sleep. Most of us live our whole day in beta, a stress mode. No wonder we feel tired and restless. Silva teaches how to enter the alpha level consciously. At this level, you can program your mind for success, just like updating software. Let us understand a few Silva techniques that anyone, student or professional, can start with today. Technique number one, the 3-2-1 relaxation method. Close your eyes and count slowly backward. 3, 2, 1. As you count, imagine your body relaxing part by part from head to toe. You will soon feel calm and centered. This is your alpha level. From here, you can visualize what you want, clear and confident. Use this before examinations, meetings, or while making decisions. Technique number two, mental rehearsal. Athletes use this technique all the time. Visualize your goal as if it is already happening. For students, imagine writing your exam confidently, remembering answers very easily. For professionals, imagine giving a presentation fluently or closing a big deal successfully. Your mind starts believing it is possible and your body flows. Technique number 3, mental screen visualization. Imagine a big movie screen in front of your closed eyes. Project your problem on the screen like a movie scene. Then visualize the solution appearing clearly. This helps your subconscious mind find answers you never thought of before. For example, if you are struggling with your career direction, see yourself happily working in a role that fits you perfectly. The more you see it, the faster your mind aligns your actions towards it. Why it is the need of the day? In today's world, our attention is constantly under attack. WhatsApp reels, notifications, stress from work or studies. We are losing the ability to focus deeply. The Silva method is not some old spiritual theory. It is mental technology for modern life. The students can use it too. Focus better during the long study hours, build confidence before examinations, overcome anxiety. And professionals can use it to reduce stress and burnout, improve creativity and decision making, and strengthen leadership presence. It's not about controlling the world. It is simple about controlling the mind that creates your world, as Joe Silva said. You are not your body. You are not your mind. You are the operator of the both. The moment you learn to operate your mind consciously, you stop being victim of circumstances and start becoming the creator of destiny. If you start just with 10 minutes a day, sit quietly, breathe deeply, count 3, 2, 1, and visualize yourself best. You will slowly see miracles happening. Better focus, better mood, or better life. Because when your mind obeys you, everything else falls in place. So start today. Master your mind before the world distracts it. This is not magic, it is a method. The Silva Mind Control Method. Train your mind, transform your life. Subscribe for more insights on discipline, focus, and growth. Thank you very much.